Today is a day you'll always remember, the greatest in anyone's life. You'll start off the day just two people in love and end it as husband and wife. As you stand there together with love in your eyes from the moment you whisper, I do. And with luck, all your hopes and your dreams can be real. May success find its way to your hearts. Tomorrow can bring you the greatest of joy, but today is the day it all starts.
You're taking me back, you're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours, you're taking me back, you're taking me back. When everything moves slower, you're taking me back to better days. Trips, late night drive to our favorite hits, burning through a mixed CD we made. Just a couple kids, nowhere to be, taking time for making memories, living life like we were runaways.
Emma, I give you this ring as a token of our marriage, as a lasting reminder of the promises we have made here today.
Dan, I give you this ring as a token of our marriage and as a lasting reminder of the promises that we have made here today.
Pleasure to tell you that you are now husband and wife, and you may
You're taking me back. When the world was small and everything was ours, you're taking me back. You're taking me back. Everything moves slower, you're taking me back to better days. So take me back when we were younger, and back when we were unafraid, starry-eyed and full of wonder.
Firstly, I'd just like to say how beautiful Emma looks. You look absolutely stunning, and I'm sure you all agree.
I'm sure you'll agree that Emma makes a beautiful bride. And now she's a wife to Dan, and I'm proud to call her my daughter.
I'd like to wish Dan and Emma all the best. To love, laughter and a happy ever after. Dan and Emma!
You're taking me back, you're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours, you're taking me back, you're taking me back. When everything moves slower, you're taking me back to better days.
Okay, countdown to 5. 4.
It's a brand new beginning, the start of a journey with moments to cherish and treasure. And although there'll be times when you both disagree, they'll surely be outweighed by pleasure.